father was a watchmaker. I grew with clocks all around, and every quarter hour I could hear their sound. The wooden clocks with their chime, the cuckoo clocks with their song. In my head I get the time that walks with me all along. My life I couldn't measure how the time was passing. That's the reason why I'm sure I'm now in its evening. The time I earned is surely better than the time I spent. But you know, now and forever I'll enjoy every moment, yeah. Father was a watchmaker. I grew with clocks all around, and every quarter hour I could hear their sound.